Hey there, everybody. This is Alfio from Brazil. Hope you guys are doing all right. Back there in San Francisco, I left my heart. Well, just a little bit about myself and why I think I am the perfect match for this assignment. Um, I am a civil engineer, and I am also an MBA from the University of Michigan, Ross School of Business, class 2009. Go Blue. Uh, Graduated with distinction, and I was pretty much a regular corporate guy until June of last year, when I decided that I didn't want to be a corporate guy anymore, and I started my own training company. And what do I train people? Uh, I train people Excel and finances. Why? Because this is what I really like to do, and so that's the first coincidence, because lately I have already been recording some Excel videos, because I also want to put them in my website as like distance teaching. So you got a guy here with a lot of experience in Excel, especially finances, and also some experience already with Camtasia and uploading videos and etc. Right? So let me show you this. Since I have already recorded these videos, I also have a lot of material ready, to use. So here I have, for example, the some if and count if support file. You'll see some stuff in Portuguese. I'm sorry, but I'll translate everything. So don't worry about that. Uh, Another thing I can provide you with is this guy over here. Take a look. This is like a software that helps you build manuals. So I use it to build Excel manuals. Let me show you how it works. This is something I can do for you guys as well. So I think it can help you if you want to provide people with written material. This can help you a lot. So here's how it works. Create a little project. Alright, so we can come over here, and then it's pretty easy. I can definitely do this for you guys. Okay, so control click, and then alright, it is building already the list of contents of the ribbon. We'll see the result in a couple of minutes. I wanted you guys to see, because just so you know that we can do whatever we like. So this is the result. Okay, it's very cool. It pretty much it draws the manual for the whole a ribbon of Excel. You can actually click button by button and go to a more specific area. Let me show you guys over here. I don't know if you already knew this software, but it's amazing, right? And then you can like turn this into a website. Like you just click over here and generate a HTML document. So I'm gonna export here to like the Upwork Excel videos. Start export, and then it builds like the tree. There you go, and this build. Here we can put like the name of your institution or project, wherever you guys are doing, and so you can come here, and then you can also like build your regular PDF file or Word document, whatever. So this is something I can do for you guys if you are interested. This is the Camtasia, right? And well, the next video will be of myself like teaching one of the formulas, so that you guys can see how I teach. And in Brazil, my course is focused on financial guys, right? From the financial markets. So I don't know who you guys are targeting, but if it's financial people, I can definitely go very deep into the formulas, concepts, and everything. Okay, can even like teach like specific topics like valuation and building the weighted average cost of capital, whatever you guys like. Okay, I really enjoy doing this, so it would be a great pleasure for me. If you guys provide me with some visual identity, like colors and everything, I can already put them in the the slides for you. So anyway, uh, let's talk about this, okay? Next videos will be the formulas. Pleasure meeting you guys. Hope to talk to you. Alfio from Brazil.